And today at Jordan Motorsports, we have this beautiful one owner 2011 Ram 2500 crew cab short bed Laramie 6.7 Cummins 4-wheel drive with 48,000 original miles. Clean title, CARFAX certified. There's no history, there's no signs of any accidents or any damages ever. This is a local one owner truck that is 100% rust and corrosion free. This is a non-smoker truck, garaged indoors. This gentleman ordered this truck with every available option that you can get on a Laramie. Included is a chrome package, appearance package, front fog lights, chrome buck shield, heated and cooled front seats, heated rear seats, factory running boards, paint match fender flares, factory moonroof, factory navigation, Alpine sound system, rear parking sensors, and so much more that you will see. Interior still smells like new. There's no rips, there's no tears, there's no broken plastics, there's no scuffs, no stains. This truck is 100% all original, has never been modified. And this is on the last ones. As we all know, 2012 was the last year. This is pre-def, pre the particular filter, or any of the extra emission crap. Only difference between this truck and the previous generation 5.9s is the EGR. So this is the truck to have if you don't want the old school stuff and you want all the new technology, as in, you know, heated seats and parking sensors and factory built exhaust brake and etc. and a little more power. This is the one to have before we got into all the crazy emissions and pre-def fluid and etc. 2 sets of floor mats, original floor mats that has never been used. The owner has had WeatherTech mats on top since new. You got your storage boxes here, or cooler, whatever you want to call it. It is insane to see this truck, 48,000 miles, not a chip, not a scratch. Does have this pretty cool tonneau cover that's semi-hard, but as you can see, it's completely foldable. I'll loosen up the other side. The bed is in new condition as well, and it is protected with a Linux spray and bed liner. There's not a dent, there's not a scuff in the bed. It has never had a fifth wheel or a gooseneck installed. Doesn't look like it's ever had a load of rocks or heavy loads or any of that stuff. Take a look at how clean the jams are. It's just that perfect grandpa truck. There it is. With the tonneau cover. A nice set of Michelin LTX AT2s all the way around. It has over 70%, 80% on it. But as you can see, that's the hard, what I said, it's more hard because it's got these aluminum slats, so it's not a soft one. And it keeps it super nice and tight. We'll lock it there. And lock it there. And there we go, so it's completely sealed. You got factory rear parking sensors. We got backup camera. But let me show you the undercarriage of this truck. When I said it's 100% rust free, 100% corrosion free, this truck is, believe it or not, 15 years old. And it's literally got like a brand new undercarriage. No, it has not been coated. This is not a coating. I just had the truck detailed. This is the shiny stuff they spray on the frame to give it the shine look. Some spots might be black enamel spray, but that is about it. There's 0 coatings on this. What I like about this as well, that it doesn't have the newer technology when they tried to put the rear load leveling airbags, and everybody has problems with them. This is a loaded truck. You got factory navigation and the moonroof. You got factory tinted windows on the back seats and the back window. Power rear slider, wood grain trim on the interior. Like I said, WeatherTech mats all the way around on top of the factory mats. And these are the factory running boards. You got dual power seats, and look at these seats. They literally look like new, not like they're 15 years old. No, they have not been replaced or reupholstered. I like this design with the dual glove boxes. It's one of the things. Second thing, I love the stitch with the exterior body color here. Gives it a nice custom look. I do have all the original books, all the original manuals, both sets of remotes, and 2 sets of keys as well. You got heated mirrors with the blind spots, and they are the extendable towing mirrors as well. You got the chrome wheels that are in excellent shape. I just did service on it, fresh oil change, oil filter, air filter, new serpentine belt, brake fluid flush. Well, actually, it's not done. It's scheduled to go in on Monday to get done, but I wanted to get this thing pictured and online. So that is the service that it was recommended, and that is what I am getting done on it. Paint appears to be all original and in excellent shape. And here, I'll show you the hood, how clean it is. It's the front end. There's the fenders. When I say there's no rock chips, this hasn't been driven off-road. This is the perfect example of a pavement princess. These are all the original body panels. The bolts have never been torqued or touched. This is the truck to have. You want kind of in between the old school and the new. Anyways, let's get this thing started. You even have adjustable pedals. $48,972. Let's turn the hazards on. Let's turn the headlights on. Let's turn the fog lights on. And let's turn the rear bed lights on. Here's your built-in trailer brakes. Okay. There's a front window. It was raining. I just tried the truck, take pictures of it outside, so it's still wet. There's the passenger one. The front windows are auto, and then we got the rear window with the factory tinted windows, and here's the passenger one. So here's all the windows. Let's check out the mirrors. There's left, right, up, and down. Like I said, both mirrors are factory heated. Let's check out the passenger window. Right, left, up, and down. There we go. There's the wipers, first speed with a delay. Here's the second speed, and here's the third speed. There's the horn. Now let's do the adjustable pedals. So if you want to zoom in on the pedals, bringing them closer, retracting them away. So there's the pedals. Now let's check out the seat. Here's the front going up, front going down. Here's the rear going up, rear going down. There's the whole seat going forward, the whole seat going backward, the whole seat going up, whole seat going down. And here is the rear recliner. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, The whole thing, 10-way, and here's the lumbar even. Let's see if we can see it in the camera. I'm adding the lumbar. You see the bubble getting bigger. You might be able to see it better when I loosen it out. There it is. Got the sunroof. Let's check out the sunroof. Here's the sunroof closing. And here's the tilt. Tilt up, close it. And let's go ahead and open it. And then let's do the rear slider. It's open. There's open. There's close. There's open. Close. We got storage right here. And then you can lift that up. You got under storage. Heated seats. Cooled seats. Heated steering wheel. Passenger side, cooled seats, ventilated seats, and heated seats. Dual climate control for the passenger and the driver. We got factory navigation. We got backup camera. You got, what else? So there's all that, 4-wheel drive on the fly. Let's go check out on the outside and check the other side. I think we covered this here pretty good. Lights in the mirrors, the turn signals, headlights, turn signals, fog lights. I mean, while I'm here, I took a picture of it. I might want to show you. Look at this. Literally brand spanking new. This truck has never been driven down a dirt road, I don't think. Tail lights and hazards. There's your cargo lights. So we got that. All right, let's check out. Let's rev it up. Give it a couple of revs. This is totally stock. Let me zoom in. No smoke, hasn't been tuned or deleted. And let's zoom back out here. Let's put it in 4-wheel drive. There's 4 high. Let's go to 4 low. There's 4 low, just activated. I hear it. Oh, and there's, go back to 4 high. Let's go back to 4 low. 4 high. 2 high. You can also control behind the steering wheel your volume. On the right side of the steering wheel, on the left side, you control the channel, which there it is. We changed it. There's the steering wheel. This truck literally drives like a brand new truck. There's no play. There is nothing about it that shows any issues. Oh, I didn't check out the air conditioning. Let's lower that down. I brought my thermometer and we didn't check it. So let's go here. Let's put it on recycle. Let's see here. I feel like there's I want to try to find a bit inside because it's blowing really cold, but these vents are like really small. We should be in the 20s for sure. upper ones. I think you got the point. There, we're getting closer to the right angle. Anyways, so we know it is blowing super cold. Let's turn the hazards off. And it is rear heated seats as well. And the cargo light off. There's your rear heated seats controls right there. I do have, like I said, 2 sets of remotes, 2 sets of manual keys, all the original books, manuals, etc. I can qualify this Ram for new car financing. What that means is I can finance it up to 84 months, and I can finance it as low as 6.99 interest rate. I can help you ship this truck anywhere in the country, whether you live in the United States or Canada, whether you're in Alaska or in any of the islands on Hawaii. If you're in New Jersey, if you're in Massachusetts, if South Carolina, North Dakota, New Mexico, Arizona, California, Washington, Colorado, Montana, Wyoming, anywhere. I deal with shippers on the daily basis. I know how to vet them. I've shipped thousands of trucks. I know how to make sure they're insured and bonded. I only work with A+ rated shippers. So we're not having to deal with a bunch of brokers, not knowing where your car is, etc. I'm happy to help. Or if you'd like to fly in, I'm 10 minutes away from Portland International Airport. No, I would not hesitate to hop in this truck and do a 3,000-mile trip in it tomorrow. Just show me where the gas station is, fill up with diesel, and hit the road. Truck has been inspected, serviced, checked out, fresh fluids, ready to go. These pre-def Cummins are impossible to find. People are hanging on to them. They're not getting rid of them. But to find one that's a one owner, that is 100% rust-free, that only has 48,000 miles, that has never been abused, has not been altered, has not been lifted, has not been tuned or chipped, there hasn't been any accidents, that has never been smoked in, that's the impossible find. This is as close to a brand new truck as you can ever get. And there it is at Jordan Motorsports. I have it. I guarantee you it won't last long. Would love to put it in your garage. If you have a tax write-off, this is the time. Only got a few days left. Section 179. Take advantage of it. I have 95 detailed photos on the website, jordanmotorsports.com. Let's make it yours.